I tried making this popular cheese and spring onion paratha after my friend Nadee shared the recipe with me, and I was amazed. It is a fun spin on the usual Indian flatbread, with melty cheese and fresh spring onions that really make it pop.
Yum.
Check out the original recipe here.
To make this cheese and spring onion paratha, begin by combining 2 cups or 250 grams of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Give the ingredients a quick mix, then create a well in the center of the flour mixture. Then add 4/5 cup or 200 milliliters of lukewarm water and continue mixing with your hands until it forms a soft and pliable dough. Then cover the dough with a plate and place it in a warm spot for about 30 minutes. This allows the gluten to relax, making it easier to roll out later. Next, place the dough on a floured surface and divide it into 4 equal parts. Shape each piece into a ball, then flatten each ball with your fingers on the floured surface. Next, use a rolling pin to roll each flattened ball into a thin circle. Next, take each flatbread and brush it with melted butter to get that nice, rich flavor all over. Then, sprinkle on sesame seeds for a bit of crunch. Then, add a handful of chopped spring onions for a fresh kick. And top it all off with a good layer of your favorite grated cheese. Make sure everything is spread out evenly so every bite is packed with flavor. Next, fold the edges of the flatbread towards the center, slightly overlapping each other to create a sealed middle. After that, sprinkle some more spring onions and grated cheese on top. Then, fold the bread into a square shape, ensuring all the fillings are nicely tucked inside. Next, dust a bit of flour on top of the square to keep it from sticking. Then take your rolling pin and gently roll it out to flatten it nicely without squishing out the filling. Next, heat a bit of oil in a pan over medium heat. Make sure to swirl the oil around to coat the bottom of the pan evenly. Cook the flatbread in a hot pan for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side or until it turns golden brown and the cheese inside starts to melt. Keep an eye on the heat to make sure it does not burn and flip it carefully to cook evenly on both sides. Once paratha is golden and the cheese has melted, take it off the heat, let it cool a little and enjoy.
If you liked this chewy, melty, cheese-filled flatbread, then check out also how to make this delightfully crispy and delicious roast pan recipe here. Check it out now.